Do you want to know how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime Video? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can subscribe to Amazon Prime Video. So go ahead and open primevideo.com. This page will open up. Go ahead and click Prime Video Member Sign Up if you have already your account, or else you can click Start Your Free Trial. This way you can start writing down your email address. So go ahead and write down your email address, click continue, and write down your password to your account. Click sign in and write down the letters which you see above. After you do that, click continue. And if that doesn't work, go ahead and write it down once again. So if the password is incorrect, go ahead and write down your password again, and a code will be on your phone. Go ahead and write down the code over here. And then you can log into your account and then subscribe to Amazon Prime Video. So guys, if this doesn't work, you can try it again. Go ahead and click Start Your Free Trial. Write down your email address or phone number, click continue, write down your password, click sign in, and then you can fill in your personal details and subscribe to Prime Video and watch your favorite movies and series. So guys, this is how you subscribe to Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.